is Low Key with your daily Q news. I was just gonna bring a theory to y'all and see what y'all think about it. And please leave your comments below. This is pretty hardcore theory though. It's not too far out there, but it's the exact opposite direction of where other people are taking it. Remember 860, Q post 860. First boom revealed. Did you catch it? The last will be magical. Now, at the exact same time as he's saying all this boom stuff, the date right now is March 6th. Something happened March 6th that didn't get any airtime really. Unless you're just a nerd like me, you didn't. But actually, March 6th was a Falcon 9 SpaceX launch date. They finally had an open window for 2 hours from 12:30 a.m. to 12:40 or to 2:45, and that's the first time that they had had a 90% rating on the weather variability. Uh, for the whole month of February, they were rained out repeatedly. They had to delay multiple launches multiple times, and that's half my theory right there. Is I've gotten pretty much full blown into this conspiracy of the weather control. And it, to really think about it, what can you think of that you would use weather control for, other than planting the earth, you know, watering crops, actually using it for good? What bad could you use weather control for? The best thing that I can come up with that makes the most sense right now would be flights. And at first I went airport flights and whatnot. Are they controlling the weather to keep flights delayed? But I'm really big into space flight and SpaceX. And if you keep up with Q, there's a few different things that you have to keep up with. One, you have to keep up with Q. Two, Trump tweets. Three, WikiLeaks. Four, Google. Five, Elon Musk and SpaceX, along with your sixth, which would be your trusted source of news. The only way that you can put all of the pieces together, in my opinion, is to have all those in your corner. And news unlocks map, basically. That's the way I find how to work the map. There's a double meaning in everything, and I really think that is half the double meaning of, refer to the map. But at the same time that Q posts this, or at least the same date, the first boom revealed. Did you catch it? The last will be magical. Okay, now, if this was something that you could just automatically catch and be like, boom, that's it, that's the boom, we really didn't have anything. And he's very specific on how he words things. The first boom revealed. It was revealed, it happened. Did you catch it? You should have caught it if it was a real boom. The last will be magical. During the month of February, there were multiple delays in space launches for SpaceX. 4 total, but they got delayed multiple times. Hence the weather control, for a reason possibly to delay actual space shuttle flights or rocket launches rather than airport flights. So my mind's going a little different direction now. And if it was so easy to see the boom, why would he say, did you catch it? Well, it happened basically at midnight, at 12:33 midnight, or 12:33 a.m. It launched. It was a 2-hour window, the first time that they were able to in quite a while, due to different delays too, other than weather, but mostly because of weather. Now think about the boom, 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 the steps of boom. Uh, the fourth will be magical. The way that I take that is on that fourth launch that SpaceX has scheduled. It is a launch to put up the very last, they call it the Dragon, the Dragon spacecraft. Now, I don't know what kind of spacecraft. I'd love to know. I'm going to do some more research into that, but it's called the Dragon, and that is the last one. And I think it's like the 13th or 14th one. It's the last one that they need to actually make everything operational, obviously. And that could be the magical part. We will see. We'll find out together. A lot of things have happened since the boom post, for you to think that there were booms. But Q's pointing it out when there's a boom. And people are saying boom, 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 all these different things. Well, what else happened March 6th? I think it correlates, and it's very obvious. It's not a coincidence, because we don't believe in coincidences anymore, right? That SpaceX launches, Q says boom, the very same day North Korea says that they're going to start the process of denuclearization. And that's a pretty big boom to me. So I think it correlates, and whatever that first boom was enough to make North Korea go, wait a minute, oh man, we're done for. We're done for. They know what we don't. But y'all do the research. Y'all make bread. And come back at me with it, because I really want to know as much as possible. I don't care if it's a theory or a fact, but please be specific on your theories and facts. Let me know which one it is, okay? And if you have facts, leave the links, for me if you can. And that would be amazing, because I actually do go through and look at the comments and do the research from what you guys tell me. So that's it. That is your daily Q News, your theory of the day. Low key out.